Meaning of devoutly.
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 Devoutly. Devoutly is an adverb that describes the way in which someone does something with deep religious or moral commitment, sincerity, and reverence. It implies a strong belief in a divine power and a heartfelt desire to follow its principles. When one acts devoutly, they do so with complete devotion and a sense of purpose. Their actions are sincere, consistent, and characterized by humility. People who act devoutly often find inner peace, spiritual fulfillment, and a strong sense of community within their faith group. Ultimately, devoutly is a word that reflects a profound commitment and dedication to one's beliefs.